Law enforcement agencies across the state will be participating in National Drug Take Back Day tomorrow. The event aims to provide a safe, convenient, and responsible way for people to dispose of unused, expired, or unwanted medications. To prepare for Take Back Day, officials say you should take inventory of your medications and identify which are unwanted or expired. You should label each of those identified medications with clear signage, then drop them off at a collection site from 10 to 2. A full list of collection sites around Maine can be found on our website and mobile app.